So checking under the hood of a $1,000 running, driving Prius, and I noticed this. It's missing the coolant reservoir cap. And somehow they stuffed this rag down in this opening to seal it up. I thought, well, that's crazy. Well, I just got done reading going through the file of documentation and paperwork that was given to me on this car. Now it has 291,000 miles on it. And going back all the way back to 2018, I found that this was mentioned by 3 different technicians, that it was missing the coolant reservoir cap and had a rag stuffed in place. Now, I purchased this car earlier today. I've owned this car for just a couple of hours, right? So over 50,000 miles, 3 different technicians mentioned that it was missing the coolant reservoir cap. But wait a minute. What's this? Well, look at that. A coolant reservoir cap. Someone had been driving this car over 50,000 miles with a rag stuffed in the coolant reservoir cap. 3 different technicians, 3, mentioned that it was missing the cap. And there it was the entire time, hidden right there. I pulled the cap out. I plugged it in. Done. Can you believe that? That is just ridiculous. You professional techs out there, do better. Do way better.